Hello everybody, I'm a maths and physics tutor, and today I want to show you how to calculate standard deviation. This problem occurs in mathematical statistics. For better understanding, let's consider the following example. I've read a quite interesting article a few days ago. It's about variation of human heights in different historical periods. If you are interested in this topic, please follow the link in the description of this video. This is the figure from that article. It presents the variations of average human heights in different historical periods. Our task is to calculate standard deviation of human height during all those periods using this data. And the first step to do that is to calculate the average or a mean of the data by adding all these numbers and dividing total by the number of periods. So the formula looks like this. So the calculations give us the following result. The average, which is called x with line on the top, is equal to 170.18 centimeters. This red dashed line marks this level on the figure. Well, and now we are ready to calculate standard deviation. It's called sigma. And there is the formula for standard deviation. It looks terrible, but don't worry, actually it's pretty understandable. We should subtract the mean from each number in our data, square the differences, then find the mean of the obtained number, and finally take the square root of the obtained result. But there is the important change with sample data. Sample data is a selection taken from a bigger data. In this case, you should divide here by n minus 1, instead of just n, like in our case. Here n is a number of periods. In our case, we are working with all the available data, so here we should divide by n. Calculations give us the following result. Here 172.3 centimeters is a human height in the 6th century. The next term should be with the human height in the 11th century, but I wrote dots instead of it, to prevent formula going out of the screen. And the last term contains the average human height in the 20th century, which is 173 centimeters according to our data. Then we should divide the sum by total number of periods, which is 6, and take a square root of the result. And the answer is 2.03 centimeters. Now we can show which heights are within one standard deviation from the mean. So using the standard deviation, we have a standard way of knowing what is normal and what is extra large or extra small. As you can see, standard deviation is quite small in our case. 2 centimeters compared with the mean of 170 centimeters is not a big deal. So if you suddenly find yourself in the 11th century, do not be ashamed about your heights compared with the other men. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.